In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete Constant Contact account. Before we begin, it is important to clarify what this process actually does. These steps remove contacts from a specific list inside Constant Contact. This is different from deleting your entire Constant Contact user account. If your goal is to clean up a list, organize your audience, or remove certain people from a campaign list, you are in the right place. Start by signing into your Constant Contact account and looking at the main navigation. Find and click the Contacts option. This is where Constant Contact stores everyone you have added, imported, or collected through sign-up forms. Once you are on the Contacts page, take a moment to locate the contacts you want to remove. You can scroll through the list, or use any available search and filtering tools to quickly narrow things down, especially if you have a large database. Next, check the box next to the contact or contacts you want to remove. Selecting multiple checkboxes lets you remove several people at the same time, which can save you time if you are cleaning up a list in batches. Make sure you are selecting the correct entries because this change affects who is included in the list you choose in a moment. After you have selected your contacts, go to the Actions menu, click Actions, and then choose Remove from List. This is an important detail because removing from a list does not necessarily erase the contact from your entire account. It simply takes them out of the list you specify, so they will not be included when you email that list moving forward. Now select the list that you want the contact to be removed from. If you use multiple lists for different audiences, choose carefully so you are removing people from the correct group. This step is especially helpful when a contact belongs to more than one list and you only want to adjust one of them. Finally, click Remove to confirm. Once you confirm, the selected contacts are removed from that list and your list membership is updated. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.